As a phosphodiesterase, Tadalafil. The inhibitor is a medication used to treat erectile dysfunction. It is also frequently referred to as generic Cialis. Tadalafil is used to increase the ability of persons with disabilities to exercise while treating pulmonary arterial hypertension, as well as symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia or an enlarged prostate. It functions by increasing blood flow to the penis spongy erectile tissue, which subsequently enables it to expand and become hard and erect. I am aware of how to take this medicine. Before using this medication, first talk to your doctor. Due to the possibility of uncommon but serious adverse effects and drug combinations. Medicine. Take this medication by mouth as prescribed by your doctor to treat erectile dysfunction. This medication may be taken with or without food. Take Tadalafil at least 30 minutes before engaging in sexual activity, but only once daily. In addition, Tadalafil is occasionally used once daily, every day, regardless of when you engage in sexual activity. You can try to get into bed at the interval between dosages. If you regularly take Tadalafil, arrange when to take it so that you take it at the same time each day. Immediately, the first thing you should do is do not take this drug, always, without a prescription, particularly if you are taking medication for heart disease. Tadalafil is a nitrate-containing drug. It may abruptly and significantly lower your blood pressure. Usually, it takes between 30 and 60 minutes. The previous hour, sexual activities. There are numerous adverse effects, including chest pain, stomach discomfort, erratic blood pressure, and liver or renal issues. Here are 2 further recommendations for you. Strong sedative Tadalafil. Because these 2 conditions require urgent medical care. If your erection hurts, do it first. Or continue for more than 4 hours is. The medical term for what is commonly known as priapism is priapism. Penis injury is possible. It is a painful and extremely uncommon condition, where the penis becomes clogged with blood. It is unable to exit the penile vessels. I know what to do in that circumstance. Ice packs can be applied to the penis and perineum. If priapism is not common, then there is a possibility that it will disappear in nature. The bulk of the time, though, the pain is histaminic in origin, and it gets worse over time. Consult your doctor right away if that is the case. If you have visual loss comes next. If you experience this kind of issue, get emergency medical treatment. I should also emphasize this fact if you are a heavy drinker. A glass of wine or any other beverage if you like. Alcoholic beverages shouldn't be served. Are there going to be issues? However, consuming more alcohol after using Cialis may impair your performance. Drinking heavily or moderately can make it. You'll have greater trouble getting an erection. Additionally, both Cialis and alcohol work as vasodilators. Vasodilators are medicines that lower blood pressure by relaxing the blood vessel walls, which in turn results in the blood vessels can expand broader as a result. When taking Cialis, excessive alcohol consumption can cause orthostatic hypotension. This could result in a headache, feeling lightheaded, and fainting, which could lead to fractures or other injuries. Let's now discuss some additional medications that may interact with Tadalafil. If you also use an alpha blocker to treat an enlarged prostate or high blood pressure, such as doxazosin and tamsulosin, your blood pressure might become excessive, which may cause fainting or dizziness. Various additional antifungal medications. Antiviral drugs may interact with one another. So, before using Tadalafil, talk to your doctor. If you currently use any other medications, here are several situations in which you must absolutely avoid taking this medication. You shouldn't take this medication again if you've already done so in the past. Avoid it at all costs if you have a history of painful erections. There are other ailments for which I should stay away from this medication, including sickle cell disease, leukemia, and multiple myeloma, anemia, pigmentary retinopathy, hearing substantial uncontrolled hypertension pressure, a heart attack, a rapid worsening of angina, a constriction of the hypertrophic aortic heart valve, cardiomyopathy, and a life-threatening irregular heartbeat are only a few of the symptoms. Stroke or persistent heart failure, liver issues, severe renal impairment, high blood pressure, and Peyronie's disease. in numerous additional circumstances. Let's now discuss the dosai. The daily dose differs for erectile dysfunction, benign pulmonary hypertension, dysfunction, and benign prostatic hypertrophy. The recommended dosage for ED is 10 mg once daily, however you should never take 2 tablets at once. The normal dose for pulmonary hypertension, 5 mg once daily, is 40 mg for prostate enlargement. Pills pulmonary Tadalafil. There is a 20 mg strength for hypertension. You will need to take 2 tablets once daily, however keep in mind that the dosage may change. Always visit your doctor because it depends on the degree and condition of your medical conditions. To take the medication first. Additionally, we already produced a video about it. The I button in the top right corner of your screen is filled out by Selena. Observe it. There you have it for today. I hope you liked it. Remember to like, share, and comment on the video. Please follow our channel.